Now insert hook in the last one and make a slip stitch. Now chain 4, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Make treble crochet, turn around 2 times yarn from the hook, insert in the circle, pull from 2, again pull from 2 and again pull from 2. One, 2 and 3. Again turn 1, 2 and 3. Now I have 4 treble, so I will make last one, 1, 2 and 3. Now pull the yarn and insert the hook from the last one, and from the back side pull the yarn from it, and this is my first puff. Chain 2 and make again treble crochet, insert in the circle, again I made 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 treble crochet and insert in the first treble crochet and pull the yarn from the back side of it like this. This is my second puff. Now chain 2 and make another one. We will make 8 puff in the circle, pull 2, pull from 2 and again, once again 2, 2 and 2. Again, this is my third treble, this is fourth, and this is my last one, 5. Now again insert in the last one and pull the yarn from the back side, and this is my third one. Now I am starting my last one. Chain 2 and round 2 times from the hook, pull 2 and the third one 2. Again make treble crochet, pull from 2 and again in the last one make 5 treble crochet for the puff. Now last one. Oops. Now this is my last, and 1, 2 chain, and from the last this, see, put insert it in the back side of the first puff and make a slip stitch, pull the thread. Now this is my first row, 8 puff stitches. Now make 1, 2, 3 and again make treble crochet, and in the middle of 2 puff here you will make 4 treble, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now again 1, 2, 3 chain, and the back of the puff make slip stitch. See this one. See, and again make 1, 2, 3, and in the middle of two puff make treble crochet 4 times. See, now this is my last petal. Make 4 treble crochet. This is my last one. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now make a slip stitch with the first petal. Now this is my cute little flower. Cut the yarn and make a slip stitch. And make it tight. Now I finished it. See, this is my cute little flower with the puff stitches and with the petal of treble crochet. I hope you will like it. See you in next video inshallah. Till then, Allah Hafiz.